Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have a collective haul for you guys. First I'm going to start with Hobby Lobby. It's from the past 2 weeks. So let me start off with that first. So I was able to find this. I wasn't looking for it, but I ran across it, and I guess it's new to the store. And I was looking for new things like when I thread my buttons or when I make tags. And it was 30% off, and it's regularly $6.99, and they all have like glitter running through it. It's really pretty, and each one has a name. The top one is Porcelain Iridescent, and then here is Porcelain Silver, then Cloud Silver, then Ivory Gold, and then Topaz Gold, and they are just gorgeous. So I wanted to share those in case anyone's interested. Really pretty. So I can't wait to use those, excuse me, on some projects. Let's see. I ran across these rhinestone beads. They were regularly $7.99 and I found them for $2.99. So I went ahead and picked them up because it's like a rainbow of colors in here. And I'm gonna share some also. So I got those. And then their paper last week was on sale for half off, the Paper Studio. So I grabbed some cardstock. I grabbed this one and I realized I already have it, but it's okay. I got it for half off. It's called Vintage, and it comes with these colors here. You get 10 of each. So those are nice. I guess I really liked it since I bought it twice. And then I found this one called Confetti, which is beautiful colors. So I picked that up because I have nothing like these colors at all. And then I found this new paper pad that they put out. It's called Foiled Florals, and it looks like that. And it is so beautiful, guys. So let me do a flip through so you can see. You get 3 of each, you get 60 sheets, and there's foil. So let's see. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. I like that it has gingham in it. And the florals are just so beautiful. I even like this. This would be cute for like a beachy themed. Very pretty. Some more gingham. There's some pink with foil. I just love florals. Isn't that beautiful? Some more gingham, and then that one. So really pretty. So they're $21.99, but they were 50 off last week. So I would definitely wait until they're half off since they no longer have the coupon. And then I went ahead and I got this. I had been looking for it, and they finally had one left. And it's a Sizzix Impresslets by Tim Holtz, and this one's called Floral Frame, and it ends up looking like this. So pretty. So it cuts and embosses. If you want, the middle pops out. So really pretty there. And then I found you know, the spring shop is 50% off. So I found this container. So it comes with 4 pieces, the 1 big basket, and then the 3 that are inside. And it's half off. So I'm going to use that in my desk in the drawers. And then I wanted to pick up some things since I'm working with some companies I also had to take pictures, and I like them to be really pretty. So I found this for like a background, and it was half off, and it's $5.99, and then I got it for half off. I thought that was really pretty. And then I found this one, which is an oval shaped one, and it's really thick, really pretty, and it was from the spring shop also. It's $9.99, and I got it half off. So I'm going to use that as well. And then I picked up some sprays. I got this one right here. It's like a light pink, and it was $1.49. And then I also got it in a purple, but this one was $1.69. I think they just went up on their prices. And then I found this one. I thought this one was really pretty, and this one was $99. So I grabbed those. And then this week, when I went in, I found some cool stuff. I went looking mainly for this, and it's on sale this week for 40% off. This one is called Intertwine. It's really pretty. It's like a weave. It looks like a basket weave. So pretty. And it's a 3D one. So I can't wait to play with that. And then I had found this, guys, by Yarnology. It's a compact mirror, and it had a bee on it, and it has a bee on both sides. Let's see. I was gonna show y'all. So I'm gonna put this in my wristlet, but it's so pretty, and it's me. So I grabbed it. It wasn't on sale, so it was $4.99. So it's one of the Yarnologies. Then I found this pumpkin spice in its sachet, and it's $1.79. It smells so good, guys. I am ready for fall already. And so is Hobby Lobby, apparently. And then I found these leaves, really pretty. I found some stuff on clearance, just some little charms, and I found some wire that was regularly $15.99 down to $4.49. It's an 18 gauge in silver, so I grabbed that. Then I grabbed a few charms. I grabbed this one right here for 99 cents. Isn't that pretty? Then I grabbed this one, which has an anchor and then like a little blue topaz. And then I found the star one with a little tassel. And then I found this one. I thought this was so cute. It's a steampunk, like hot air balloon, and then it has little gears on it. I loved it. And then I also found in the fall section, they put out some trims. I found this color and this color in gingham, and they were a must-have. And they were not on sale, so they're $2.99 each. So I grabbed those. And then the last thing I picked up, oh my gosh, these are so cute. These are bowls, and they're half off. I only got two. I plan on just using them, not my husband. He uses a different bowl, but so I got them for $1.50 each, and they are so adorable. So in case you want to see if you can find those. So that concludes Hobby Lobby. And then I was watching Strawberry Cream 39, and she had picked up this bundle from Tonic, and I had to have it. And I don't usually buy from Tonic, but when I saw the kit, I was like, oh, I want it. So let me show you. So you get this country jug die set. Okay, and I already opened it so that I could show y'all what it comes with. If if I can get it out. Okay, here we go. So you get all of these dies here. You can get a bee. So you can make it a floral jug. You can make it a kitchen jug. Yeah, I mean, there's so many like different things you can do with this. And then it also came with a stamp set. I love it. Flowers and plants, homemade, made with love, home, love, lemonade, home sweet home, thanks, dairy, baking, and kitchen. And of course there's another bee and a rooster, which I love. And there's a little fork too. Isn't that hilarious? And then it came with a pad of paper called Blue Blossom. You get 24 sheets, 8 designs, 6 of each, and it's 58-pound weight. And they're double-sided, and it's so pretty. So I got that kit, or bundle I should say. And then I have picked up the kit from Not2ShabbyShop. I'm doing her kit of the months, her little kits. This is where you can find her. And if you use the code Jamie at checkout, you'll get 10% off. I do not believe you can't use that on the kits. So let me show you what came with the kit. And I have a story. When I got mine was soaking wet and wrapped in saran wrap, I guess en route, and I guess that's why it was a day delayed. It was crazy, guys. It was soaking wet. I had to let everything air dry and then clean it. The paper didn't get messed up, so I was so happy about that. So I didn't, complain, but they reported it as damaged. But it came with this stamp set here, which is called Buzzy Bees. I love them. I've already created a project, which y'all will see soon. And then it came with this stamp set called Insect Cuties. And there's another bee here, a ladybug, a butterfly, and a snail with its baby. And then the kit came with 3 pads of paper. So you got this Busy Bees one. So cute. You got this Summer Flowers. And then you got a slimline one called Faux Embossed Watercolors. Look at that, isn't that cool? So many colors, so pretty. And then you also got some ephemera. So you got a whole bunch of different stuff in here, like bees and the different stamps that I showed you already colored up for you, and really cute. And then it also came with some gemstones by Gina Marie. Pretty. It came with this sequin set. Isn't that pretty? And then she always, oh, there was another sequin pack. And I just started getting her kit last month. And so it seems every month you get a little sucker also. So it's an organic pop, and I got Wet Face Watermelon. That's funny. And here are the other sequins that came with. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Please go enter my giveaway. Okay, bye.